Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to wash your flat style stainless steel water bottles. Now it doesn't really have to be in this water bottle per se. It can also be this type, alright, or even this type, alright. Now I don't drink wine, okay, I don't drink alcohol. I just use this to put water inside, okay. So doesn't really matter what water bottle you use. The washing methods are going to be the same, but in this example video I'm just going to use this one. Alright, now two methods I'm going to show you is the first one is washing by dishwashing liquid. Okay, so the first step, open the cap, pour water inside, maybe like halfway, 3/4 full. You go eat because it's not transparent, right? So you just have to go by feel, go by weight. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is just going to put some dishwashing liquid inside. Doesn't matter what kind of dishwashing liquid you use, just put a little bit inside. There you go. Now you're going to put the cap on, give a good rinse. Now notice that when you are as you are shaking the bottle, it stops having that water whooshing sounds. That's because the soap has filled up the entire bottle already. So no matter how you shake it, it feels very firm and there's no more whooshing sounds inside. That shows that the soap has filled up the entire bottle. Okay, so now the second step, is to open up. Oh, look at the soap. Alright, so it's filled up all the way. Now, for me, in this step, I'm just going to empty it first. Give it a good shake. But there's still soap in there and you can't really see, right? So here's what you're going to do. Now the soap, how to get rid of the soap inside? Fill up with water. Now, when you fill up with water, the soap comes out. You're going to overflow the bottle with so much water that until the water turns clear. Now look in this example, okay? Like this, see? Watch the color. See? It becomes clear. That means the soap has sort of got much less in the bottle, so you can shake it. By shaking around, you are actually washing the bottle up and down, alright? And the soap fills out the entire bottle. Alright, so another one again, you can see the soap is still in there. Do the same method again. Watch for the color. The water is now clear. Then you remove it. You can do another round of check just to confirm. You should be fine after this. After this third rinse. Good. That means the soap has completely been cleared from the bottle. Now your bottle is ready to be used. Now, the second method is actually a little bit faster, and that requires just using vinegar. Now you're just going to pour a little bit inside, like so. Yeah, that's enough. That's more than enough actually. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill up with water. Probably like half full. Okay, around half full. You have to go by weight again. Just go by feel. Put the cap on, like so. Shake it around. Shake up for like 10 times, 12 times. This is like, what, 20 times already? But yeah, give it a good rinse, good shake. Okay, now you're going to open up the cap. You can hear it sizzling inside. You hear that? That means the vinegar has worked its way around the body of the bottle inside. Now you're going to rinse it. Okay, empty it first. Good. Rinse it out with water to get rid of the vinegar that's left over inside. And actually after this rinse, you're pretty much good to go. Isn't this much faster? So I would recommend you wash your bottles like 3 times a week. Like once every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, or even perhaps like throwing Saturday, Sunday. Depends on how often you use the water bottle. But I guess 3 times a week should be fine. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.